YouTube. This is ThegamingBrosA&J here, bringing you guys the Pendulum Domination structure deck. About 3 of these, so deck profile will be out soon. We'll just get started into this. Alright. Oh, I got it open. So, check out the playmat. I bet you guys already seen this all, but who cares? My camera's not that big because I'm still using my phone and all that. So yeah, Pendulum Domination deck. Oop. Here's the beginner's guide and all that. I think it's just awful. So let's get into the deck. I've been anticipating this deck for a long time, so I think a lot of people have actually. So. Alright. Got a lot of glare. Alright, we got DD Chaos King Apocalypse. Damn. There we go. DD Dragonbane King Beowulf. Actually, yeah, I think I read the book called Beowulf. It's actually decent. Got DD Orthros. DD Lamia, I don't know which one you call it, but yeah. Then we got DD Cursed King Sigrid. Yeah, these guys are pretty much based off historians and all that, like Newton. Copernicus, I can't pronounce stuff. Doom King Armageddon. Produced a card actually. Cerebus, Lilith, Night Owl, or yeah, Night Owl, Galilea, I don't know, Kepler, Cannabis Ragnarok, Supreme King Kaiser, Proud Orb, Proud Chevalier, Dark Arm Dragon, Dark Griffith here, Armageddon Knight, some good reprint. This should have been like one of those, what you call it, the Masked Hero Structure deck. That should have been in there. Sorry about that, I was about to burp. Yeah. Trench Arfiend, Career Bandit, Stygian Street Patrol, Stygian Security. I hear the TV in the background, if you do, but yeah. Dark Contract with Yamakaya. Dark Contract with Gate. Dark Contract with the Swamp Queen. Forbidden Dark Track with Swamp Queen. Full scale, 1 for 1. And we got the Allure of Darkness. I think it's the best reprint of this structure deck. It even though got recently reprinted with the latest pack that came out with what do you call it? Destiny Soldiers as a super rare. So Dark Eruption, worthless card. Emergency Provision, DDD Reroll, DDD Recruits, DDD Human Resources, Dark Contract with the Witch, Dark Contract with Ears, Contract Laundering, Sinister Yugioh. Seems weird. Escape from the Darkness, Hope for Escape, and then DD Wave King Caesar. So, yeah. I guess not. It's could probably be a competitive structure deck, as I know. Not very that bad. You know, maybe you can add like a little bit of cards and all that to it. But it doesn't seem that bad. Just with the DVs. Get 3 of these, like competitive, and I think you're all set. Like pretty much. Get maybe some Twin Twisters or strikes and warnings in them. I think you're all good. Damn, this structure deck's like pretty good. I recommend buying it, tree, and playing with it. Like my structure, I will get a deck profile here, like I said in the beginning of the channel. I do not have the green slime, so he won't be in that deck. and I really don't want to use them anyways because I don't like substituting for my hand when it's just Pendulum deck. So yep, this could be it for, I can't pronounce today. I had to work today, so yeah. This ThegamingBrosA&J out. Please like and subscribe, and yeah, hope for the deck profile will come out here soon.